Is your phone getting too hot? Maybe it heats up while charging, gaming, using the internet, or even doing nothing. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you why phones overheat and the best ways to fix it permanently. You're watching True Vibes Media. If you love helpful tech tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it so more people can stay informed. Let's get started. First, let's understand why phones overheat. Your phone may heat up due to long gaming, too many apps running in the background, poor internet signal, malware, low quality chargers, environmental heat, or even aging hardware. A little warmth is normal, but when your phone becomes too hot to hold, freezes, shuts down, or battery drains fast, then there's a problem that must be fixed. Now let's go through the solutions step by step. Number one, stop heavy usage for a moment. If you're gaming, recording video, or multitasking, like the one you are seeing on my screen, running too many apps at once, but this can be done with Samsung device only. Close everything and let the phone rest. Open your recent apps and clear them. Overheating often drops within minutes. Number two, remove the phone case. Many thick and rubber cases trap heat. Removing it allows better air circulation, helping the phone cool faster. Number three, reduce screen heat. Lower your brightness. Switch from 120 high refresh rate to 60 if your phone supported. Bright screens generate serious heat and battery drain. Number four, check charging habits. If your phone overheats while charging, unplug it and let it cool. Avoid using your phone while charging. Use original or certified chargers. Cheap chargers can damage your battery and create dangerous heat. Number five, check for background apps and unnecessary processes. Go to Settings, then Apps, and force stop heavy apps. Also disable auto start apps and unnecessary permissions. Many apps like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok silently run in the background and heat your phone. Or you can put your apps in deep sleep. These are my apps that are in deep sleep. Number six, turn off things you're not using. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot, GPS, and 5G consume power and generate heat. If you're not using them, switch them off. Also avoid using your phone in very poor network areas because your phone struggles to search for signal and overheats. Number seven, update your phone. Software bugs can cause overheating. Go to Settings and check for software updates. Install them. Also update your apps from Play Store or App Store. Number eight, scan for malware. If your phone heats up even when you are not using it, there may be a virus or malicious app mining data in the background. Look at mine, and you will see everything is in good standing. Number nine, avoid direct sunlight and hot environments. Never leave your phone on a car dashboard, under the sun, near heat sources, or in your pocket in extremely hot weather. Heat damages battery health permanently. Number 10. Restart your phone. A simple restart refreshes system processes and cools your phone faster than you think.